They're going to serve in my navy.
Get down! Away!
And when each busy day is done, they're striped, cod fillet in golden crumb. Only birds I know how they like their fish fingers to be. They make some fish fingers look like short rations.
And a captain's ale for tea.
Another golden catch from the captain's table.
Hooray!